Hey, future Roblox developers, my name is Rob, and I'm super excited to have you here. Today we're going to write our first script in Roblox Studio together. The very first step you have to take as a Roblox developer. Let's jump right in. When you are in Roblox Studio, click New Experience. Once it's loaded, make sure to close the Asset Manager on the left side by clicking the X right here. Next, click on Part to add a default block. The part has been added to your scene, and you can also find it in your workspace. Since this tutorial is about scripts, we're going to add one. When you hover the mouse over the part in the workspace, a small plus icon appears. Click on it, and Roblox Studio will make all kinds of suggestions what to add to this part. Right at the top, you see script. If you don't see it there, just type it in, and Studio will filter the matching objects. Make sure to add the script by clicking on the option in the list. As you can see, the script has been added to the part. This is also known as parenting. The part is parent to the script, and the script has been parented to the part. You'll also notice that you don't see your world anymore, but a code editor opened in your main window. Inside of what you're seeing here lives your code. Let's have a look at what the default script looks like. It says print hello world. That's the infamous first lines every developer writes. Roblox writes them every time you create a new script. Let's see what happens when we run it. To run the script, click on the play button in the ribbon bar above your code window. Now, as you can see, our character has spawned into the world, and you can move it around with your keyboard and mouse. Interestingly, though, that's not the only thing that happened. Take a close look into your output window at the bottom. As you can see, the script logged hello world. Okay, stop the game by clicking on the stop button. Now let's change the print function. Replace the hello world with hi Rob, and click the play button again when you're done. As you can see, the script now logs a different output. Alright, stop the game again and let's do something more interesting with the script. Just follow along with me for now. Type script.parent.brickcolor equals brickcolor.new parentheses quotes tr blue. Have a close look at the style I'm writing this in. It has to match exactly this, otherwise you'll get an error. Remember what I said about parenting before? Inside the script, script.parent refers to the part this script is inside of, and we can change the properties of the part. Run the script and boom, your part is now blue. Alright, one more. Type script.parent.transparency equals 0.5. Run it again. Now your part is semi-transparent. Every part has tons of properties you can manipulate, from color to size to position. Obviously, the script might also affect other objects in the game, not only their parent part. Probably best to see an example of this. So, let's create a new part. Move it out of the way a little. In the Explorer, right-click on the new part and rename it to target part. Now, to reference this part in the script, you would write game.workspace.targetPart. Let's set the color of this part to red. Run the game to see if it works.
Fantastic!
Game.workspace is a way to reference the main game environment. Since it's so common to do this, Roblox has a shortcut, workspace alone, but this time with a lowercase w, will do the same thing. No need for the leading game dot. Alright, that's the end of this tutorial. You just learned to create scripts, use the print function for debugging, change part properties, and reference objects anywhere in your game. This is the absolute foundation for building anything interactive in Roblox. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button for more tutorials. Rob Van de Blocks, over and out.